Welcome, children. The existence of three states of matter can be explained by kinetic theory of matter. Kinetic theory of matter. The theory which reveals that any substance, whether solid, liquid, or gas, is made up of tiny particles called atoms, molecules, or ions, which are in constant motion, is called kinetic theory of matter. The main postulates of this theory are matter is composed of very small particles called atoms and molecules. The constituent particles of a kind of matter are identical in all respects. These particles have spaces or gaps between them which are known as interparticular or intermolecular spaces. There exists a force of attraction between the particles of matter which holds them together. This force of attraction is known as interparticular or intermolecular force of attraction. Particles of matter are always in a state of random motion and possess kinetic energy, which increases with an increase in temperature and vice versa. The states of matter can be explained based on kinetic theory. Solid state. In solids, the particles are closely packed. There is strong force of attraction between the particles and intermolecular space is almost negligible. The molecules are therefore not free to move. They only vibrate about their mean positions. This makes solid hard and rigid and difficult to compress, giving them a fixed shape and size. Solids have low kinetic energy. Liquid state. In case of liquids, the particles are not very closely packed. The intermolecular forces of attraction are not as strong as in the case of solids. Thus, the intermolecular spaces are larger. The molecules are loosely packed. Hence, liquids are more compressible. The particles are able to move freely and randomly. The kinetic energy is higher than that of solids. This makes a liquid flow and take the shape of container into which it is poured. Thus, liquids have a fixed volume but no definite shape. Gaseous state. In case of gases, the intermolecular forces of attraction are negligible. The particles lie far apart from each other and the intermolecular spaces are therefore very large. Hence, they can be compressed. The forces of attraction are so weak that the particles of gases are free to move within the entire space available to them. They have high kinetic energy. During motion, these particles collide with each other and also with the walls of the container. As a result, gases have neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume. They completely filled up the space available to them. Position of molecules in solid, liquid, and gas are shown in the figure. Thank you.